Spotify Premium just got significantly more expensive in 2025, leaving many users asking if their beloved music streaming service is still worth the price. This video dives deep into the latest Spotify Premium price hike, which impacts subscribers across the US, Latvia, and Estonia. Starting immediately for new signups and rolling out to existing users in February 2025, you'll see your monthly bill climb. The Premium Individual plan jumps from $12 to $13, Premium Duo from $17 to $19, and the popular Premium Family plan climbs from $20 to a new $22 monthly rate. This isn't the first time Spotify has adjusted its pricing, following a previous US bump in 2024 and recent increases in other international regions. The company also just launched music videos for US listeners. So is the price increase justified by new features? For longtime Spotify Premium subscribers, this news might be a real shock, especially for those who rely on the ad-free experience, offline listening, and vast podcast library. Are you wondering if it's time to explore Spotify alternatives, or if the added cost is still worth it for your daily tunes? Find helpful links in the description below to manage your subscription, or compare other top music streaming services after this 2025 price change.